Students, I hope you have understood the previous problem. Now we shall do another problem. So just look at the problem, dear students. Prepare a cash budget for the 3 months ending 30th June. That means ending month is June. That means here also in this problem we should do for 3 months, that is for the month of April, May and June, from the information given. So what is the information they have given? Month February, March, April, May, June. So sales respectively 14,000, 15,000, 16, 17, 18. Materials is 9,600, 9,000, 9,200, 10,000 and 10,400. Wages is 3,000, again 3,000, 3,200, 3,600, 4,000. And the overheads is 1,700, 1,900, 2,000, 2,200 and 2,300. Now coming back to the next, the information is credit terms are. So understand, dear students, which is very important, sales and debtors. See, sales, debtors is nothing but 10% sales are on cash. That means what the total amount sales which is happened out of that 10% is cash and 50% of the credit sales are collected next month. That means, for example, what is the amount of February sales? 14,000. In that 50% means how much? 7,000. That 7,000 amount has been collected in the month of March. Likewise, March sales amount is 15,000. 50% means 7,500. That has been collected in the month of April, like that, next month, and the balance in the following months, and the remaining balance will be collected in the following month. That is first adjustment. The next adjustment is what? Creditors. Again the material is for 2 months. So that means if I purchase the material in the month of February, that I should pay in the month of April. Likewise, if I purchase in the month of March, I should pay in the month of May. If I purchase in the month of April, I should pay in the month of June. So that is what the 2 months time has been given. Next, wages. See, very important this one. See, wages they have given 1/4 and the overheads is 1/2. So we will do it in the problem. And the last one is cash and bank balance on 1st April 2016 is expected to be 6,000. That means this is the opening balance of the cash. Next, the other information, plant and machinery will be installed in February 2016 at a cost of 96,000. The monthly installment of 2,000 is payable from April onwards. Second one, dividend at 5% on preference share capital of rupees 2 lakh will be paid on 1st June. That means this will come under the payment. Next, advance to be received for the sale of vehicles 9,000. That means I am receiving the money. That means it will come under receipt. So that it has to be entered in the month of June. Next, dividends from investments amounting to rupees 1,000 are expected to be received in June. This is also amount which I will receive. That is in the month of June. So the last one, income tax advance, that it has to be paid in June. That is in the month of June I should record 2,000. Now we will do the solution, my dear students. So based on the information we shall do the solution. So what is the information they have given? As I told you in the question itself, the opening balance of cash is the opening balance of cash is 6,000. Now sales, very important. So here they have given some twist here. What is the twist? 50% of the credit sales are collected next month and the balance in the following month. So for this we should do working note. So what is that working note? So calculation of collection from debtors. So what is that? Sales which is happened in the month of February is how much? 14,000. Cash sales is 10%, that is 1,400. The remaining 90% is what? 12,600 is credit sales. Again in the month of March 15,000 the total sales. In that 10% sales is 1,500. Remaining 90% is credit, 13,500. In the month of April 16,000. Cash sales is 10%, 1,600. Remaining is credit sales 14,400. In the month of May 17,000. So 10% sales is 1,700. Credit sales remaining amount is 15,300. In the month of June is 18,000. 10% sales means cash sales means 1,800 and remaining amount is credit sales. How much? 16,200. In the problem they have given from the month of February to June, but we shall do it only for 3 months. That means which commences from April, May, June. So now coming back to the adjustment, as I told you, my dear students, credit terms are 10% sales on cash. We will do it on later, the cash. Now we will do it for the credit. So what is they have given? 50% of the credit sales are collected next month. That means the February credit has been collected in the month of March. So no necessary to write because we will do the cash budget from the month of April. So that means what the March credit sales has been done, that I will collect in the month of April. So therefore I should record it. How much they have given? 50%. So if I take, what is the credit sales? 13,500 in the month of March into 50%. How much I will get? 6,750. Next, again one more they are given, and the balance in the following month. Following means what? The next one. So next means what? 12,600. How much? Into 50% I have collected. How much? 6,300. So put together credit sales is how much? 13,000. Put together total credit sales 6,750 plus 6,300 is 13,050. As in the problem they are given cash sales is 10%. So what is the cash sales in the month of April? 16,000 into 10% is 1,600. So therefore total credit sales is 13,050 plus cash sales 10%, 1,600 is 14,650. Likewise in the month of May. So that means what I have paid in the month of April, that will be received in the month. What I have sold in the month of April, that I will receive in the month of May. So how much is the credit sales? 14,400 into 50%. How much? 7,200. Again the previous one is March. 13,500 credit sales, that 50% I have received in the same month. How much? 6,750. If I total 6,750 plus 7,200, 13,950. Again cash sales 17,000 into 10% is 1,700. If I total 15,650 is the sales. Next for the month of June. So that means the month of May I will receive in the month of June. So how much? 15,300 into 50%, 7,650 plus again in the month of April amount I will receive in the month of June. How much? 50%. So that is nothing but 7,200. Put together total 7,650 plus 7,200 is 14,850 is the total credit sales plus cash sales is 18,000 into 10% is 1,800. So 14,850 plus 1,800 is how much? 16,650. So I will record here in the main solution. So what is the sales that I have done for the month of April? Total sales is put together total credit sales plus cash sales 14,650 I have recorded in the month of April. In the month of May, put together total credit sales plus cash sales 15,650 I have recorded in the month of May. In the month of June, total credit sales is 7,650 plus 7,200, 14,850 plus 1,800 is cash sales. Total is how much? 16,650 I have recorded in the month of June. 16,650 I have recorded in the month of June. Pause. So as the sales amount I have received written, now dividend we will come back. So in the adjustment they are given that we have discussed, the dividend from investments amounting to rupees 1000 are expected to be received in the month of June. That means in the month of April I have not received any dividend. Again the another one more item which I will receive is advance to be received. Received means that I will receive in the form of cash of vehicle, that one also in the month of June. So therefore no item here. So only the sales plus opening balance 14,650 plus 6,000 is 20,650 is the total cash available. So again in the what I will do is the payments. So I will keep on paying the payment now. The first one is what? Materials. That if what I have taken in the form of credit. Again we have done working note for that. See what they have given in the problem. Credit materials. So that means the materials what they have given here, that is they are given for 2 months time. That means what I have purchased in the month of February, that I will pay in the month of April. So what is the February amount? 9,600. 9,600 I have paid in the month of April. So March item 9,000 I have paid in the month of June. What the month of May I have paid in the month of June, 9,200. So we will discuss further later that one. Now creditors is how much? That means in the month of February 9,600 I have paid in the month of April, that is for 2 months, 9,600. Now wages, very important adjustment my dear students. So listen to me very carefully. Wages is given for 1/4. What is that 1/4 means? Yes, we have done in the working note. Payment of wages, that means the month of April wages. For see here in the problem they are given 3,000. The month of April wages 1/4 has been given in the month of April. And what is the month of wages in the April? 3,200 given in the month of April itself, that is 3/4. That means 3,000 the month of April, 25% has been given. 750 the month of April, 3,200 I have given 75%, that is 3/4. So 2,400 plus 750, if I total I will get 3,150 is the total wages amount that I have to enter in the month of April. That means February 25% and the April 75%. If I total I will get 3,150. Again the overhead is also same here. See the wages overhead they have given for the month of February the 1,900. That means 50% I have to record, that is 1/2. And in the month of April 50% I should record, what is 2,000. That means 1,900 means 950 is the 50% and 2,000 means 1,000 is the 50%. So 1,000 plus 950 is nothing but 1,950 that I have entered here. Next, installment for plant. So next adjustment, see the plant and machinery will be installed in February. That means that has been installed in the month of February at a cost of 96,000, but it has been paid on the installment basis 2,000 every month. That means from April onwards. So again in the month of April I have entered how much? 2,000 installment for plant. Next, preference dividend. Preference dividend, dividend at 5% on preference share capital of rupees 2 lakh will be paid in the June. That means in the month of April there is no dividend that I have paid. Even income tax is also in the month of June, so therefore it is not paid in the month of April. So if I total the total payments which comes together 16,700, so the total cash is available 20,650 minus 16,700 is nothing but 3,950 is the closing balance. Cash is available. What at the end of the month cash is available, that will become the opening balance of the next month, that is in the month of May. It is opening balance 3,950. The same the sales I have done in the adjustment, so that will come how much? 13,000 15,650 I have entered here. No dividend, no advance against vehicle. So put together, if I total opening balance plus sales 15,650 plus 3,950, the total cash available is 19,600. Again, for the payment of under the payments, as I told you, like for 2 months, so creditors is 9,000. So see here, what is the materials they are given? That is in the month of March. I have paid in the month of May. How much? 9,000. Again wages the same way, 1 by 4 into 3 by 4, 3,500. Overheads again 1 by 2, March 1 by 2 and May 1 by 2 I will get. And even installment for plant, as I told you that 2,000 every month I will pay, same I have entered here. Preference dividend has not been paid, income tax has not been paid, so total payment will come 16,600. Total cash available 19,600 minus total payment 16,600. If I make 3,000 is the closing balance. As I said in the previous this one itself, what the amount will be available at the end of month, that will become the opening balance of the next month. So 3,000 is the opening balance. So again here 16,650 is the total sales amount. So dividend, as I told you, the adjustment. So dividend from investments, from the investment which the amount is invested, I have received 1,000, that in the month of June. So I have entered here in June. Again the advance against vehicle, what that I will receive in the month of June, 9,000 I have received here. So put together total how much it will come, 29,650 is the total cash available in my hand. So the payments is again the creditors 9,200 I will pay, wages 3,900, 2,250 I will pay, overhead 2,250, investment for plant 2,000, and the preference dividend given in the problem, dividend from investments amounting to dividend at 5% on preference shares capital of rupees 2 lakh will be paid on 1st June. That means in the month of June I will pay, how much is nothing but 10,000. And again the income tax advance to be paid in June, that is 2,000 I will pay in the month of June. Put together it comes 29,350. When I pay from the cash available 29,650, the total payment is 29,350. When I minus, only the 300 cash is available. I hope you have understood, my dear students. Thank you.